As a sales professional, I take very good care of my teeth as I see many people during the day, and I feel that my smile is very important. In 6 weeks prior to my daughter's wedding, unfortunately, when I was eating dinner one night, I had a broken tooth. The first thing that came to my mind is, how am I going to get this fixed for my daughter's wedding in 6 weeks? So the first thing I did was I called Dr. Drone because I knew he'd be on it. And he got me in his office as fast as he could, took a look at it, assessed the situation, and sent me over to Dr. Surber.
So Teresa came to us with a very specific issue and problem that she needed our high level of care to fix. And it's been great working with Teresa. I've gotten to know her a bit, especially as she was going through these family weddings, which is how she came to the Aspire Dental Implant Center. But we were able to expedite her treatment, and she's been very happy and pleased from day one. And I love every time I see Teresa because she's our biggest proponent.
Dr. Surber said that I needed a post put in my mouth. That frightened me. I really wasn't prepared to have a post put in my mouth. I didn't know what that would do to my day, what that'd do to my week, but I knew it had to be done in order to be ready for the wedding.
We were able to take the tooth out with Dr. Surber's team. We came back, took our images for our impressions for a temporary immediate crown. We delivered it the next day, and she was just stunned by the simplicity from losing a tooth to putting a new tooth in and how smooth this process was.
So after I had my surgery with Dr. Surber, I had to wait a week or so before I could come back to Dr. Drone. And Dr. Drone got me in days before the wedding, and it was fantastic because when he put the tooth on, I had all the confidence that I could go to my daughter's wedding, smile, have pictures, and not be concerned or smile halfway as I've been doing for the 6 weeks prior. So I was very, very pleased with the results. I have all the confidence in the world in Dr. Drone and Dr. Surber, and I'm just very, very pleased with my smile at this time.
So one of Teresa's main issues was she needed this treatment done quickly and very efficiently. One of the greatest benefits of Aspire Dental Implant Centers is that we're all under one roof. The prosthodontists, the surgeons, and all the staff. So we were able to tackle her problem very quickly, take care of it in a really timely manner, efficiently, and she had a wonderful outcome. So it worked really well.